So here's a quick and easy style to do. So I'm going to part my hair from ear to ear. Once I've parted my hair, I'll take my medium size hair tie, which is available on our website, and I'll use that to secure the ponytail on top of my head. I'll only wrap it twice because it doesn't need to be tight, because after this you're going to take 2 locks, or however many you like. You're going to go take those 2 locks and you're going to wrap it around your ponytail. You can make this as tight, as high as you like. I don't like a lot of tension on my hair, so I wrapped it loosely. After you've wrapped it, you're going to secure it using the hair tie and pull those 2 locks under the hair tie. You'll adjust as needed. And voila, you have a quick and easy half up, half down hairdo. I love this style because it makes me feel like a princess, a queen, an empress, just everything. Just everything.